Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. We've made it to day 10 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got another wonderful prize for you today. But before I get to that, what do you call a group of very young snowmen? Children. I'm laughing harder than I should because I couldn't get that joke out. I've tried this clip 5 or 6 times. I always start laughing before I get to the punchline. Anyway. On the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new webcam. It's not just any webcam. It's an HD webcam from our good friends at EMEET. This is the last camera you'll ever need for your computer. It's a full HD webcam, which is going to give you crystal clear images on your next Teams call, or if you're talking to somebody over the internet on Zoom or something like that. It's also got 4 microphones in it, which will pick up every sound in the room, and it's got noise canceling on those microphones. So if you have noisy kids in the house or a dog barking, it'll tamp all that noise down and it'll sound incredibly professional, because nobody wants to hear all that background noise, and you certainly don't want a fuzzy picture when you're trying to attend a meeting. Everybody's going to look at you and go, oh man, that's a terrible webcam that guy's using. This is going to fix that for you. And it's from our good friends at EMEET. It's a wonderful camera. You basically plug it in, you can start using it. There's no drivers required. It's plug and play, and it's just a wonderful product. So if you're working from home, this is definitely something you want. Now, the contest couldn't be easier. Just like all the other contests, if you look below in the comments section, you'll see a link. If you click that link, a form pops up. All we need is your email address and your YouTube username. And after 7 days, we're going to pick a winner out of all the people that have entered the contest. I promise you, we're not going to keep your email and spam you throughout the year with all kinds of really good deals on cap snafflers or whatever the heck people sell on the internet. We're going to leave you alone, but I need your email because we're going to pick a winner, and I need to be able to get a hold of you. So after 7 days, we'll pull a winner out. I'll send you an email and I'll say, hey, good news, you won the EMEET webcam. Please send me your mailing address. We'll put this in a box. We'll ship it right to you. No shenanigans, no shipping charges, no strings attached. We just want to give it away. Now, I've made fun of a lot of different countries over the last couple of clips. Today, I'm going to pick on Germany. There's a place in Germany, it's in Bavaria, called Kissing. Now, that's kind of nice, right? Kissing Bavaria. And I thought, well, that's kind of great. I wonder how it got that name. And the challenge with the internet is once you think of something, then you get into this rabbit hole of searching other things. So I thought, kissing in Germany. I wonder what that's all about. So I looked it up, and apparently you can kiss and hug in public, but if it goes a little further than that, you can get arrested. So you have to be really careful. And then I thought, okay, well, how do you kiss in Germany? You can see where I'm going with this. Well, in Germany, I guess it's custom to kiss twice, like one on each cheek, right? So if you're going to Germany, you give them the old both sides. And then, of course, that led me to, how do you flirt in Germany? Well, it doesn't have anything to do with kissing. Apparently, it's all in the eyes. So it's a very flirty kind of thing to work with your eyes. So I'm going to give it a try. Here's how I'd flirt in Germany. So I don't know if that's working for you or not, but anyway, I got to work on that part of it. But anyway, Kissing Germany, wonderful place. I'm sure it's a beautiful place. I've been lucky to be to Germany a couple of times. It's a wonderful country. The people are fantastic over there, and you're just going to have a great time. So if you've never gone, definitely go. It's a great place to vacation. Plus, they have the Autobahn where you can go really fast on that road. Anyway, I'll send it to you. I don't care if you're in Kissing Germany or you're in Manahawkin, New Jersey, which is, I think it's Indian for get the heck out of the fast lane. That's the joke in Jersey, because we hate people that hog the fast lane. Anyway, I'll send it to you wherever you are in the world, and we're going to put it in a box and ship it right out. So enter the contest because we're getting tight here. We've got 2 more days left. These last 2 prizes are unbelievable. So if you've watched up till now, Day 11 and Day 12 are going to be great prizes that you're definitely going to want to get in on, but check the other contests as well because some of those are still running, and if you haven't entered those, go back and enter those as well because we're giving away a lot of cool stuff, and I want everybody out there to get a fair shot. I couldn't be happier giving this stuff away because I know when I send this, hopefully to Kissing Germany, somebody's going to open it up and go, hey, we won the webcam. What a wonderful Christmas this was. It's such a great thing. It makes me happy, makes you happy, and everybody's happy. So enter the contest. That's pretty much it for today. Now, there are 2 more days left. And I'm telling you, if you've skipped all the ones up till now, Day 11 and Day 12 are going to be really important for you to pay attention to because there's some amazing stuff going on there. Not that the other prices weren't amazing. Everything's amazing because it's free, but those 2 days are going to be really big. So make sure you tune in tomorrow and the next day and enter all the contests so you get a good shot at winning something. That's pretty much it for today. I really appreciate you watching, and I can't thank you enough for the support you've shown us throughout the year and actually all the years the channels have been up. We really appreciate that, and it drives us to do more every year, to do better every year, and put more clips together every year. So thank you so much for your support. And again, until tomorrow, happy flying.